Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student on the based on choose the correct options or MCQ. Dear students, let us move for our today's topic. Dear student, today's topic is choose the correct options, that means MCQ, and in our previous class we have discussed up to 1 to 8 and from 9 we will start today. The question number 9 is weather changes every dash, that means here is blank. What will be the answer? Month, week, day, year. Dear student, we know that weather changes every day, then correct answer will be C, that means day. Question number 10 is when it is very cold for many days it is blank. The options are A. Monsoon, B. Summer, C. Winter, D. Rainy. Back to our question. When it is very cold for many days it is winter. Is not it, dear student? Yes, it is. Then answer will be C. Then we will put tick mark on C. The question number 11 is on a rainy day we like to wear blank. The options are cotton cloths, raincoat, woolen cloths, sweater. Dear students, we wear cotton cloths in summer. We wear woolen cloths and sweater in winter. That means that will be the correct answer. On a rainy day we like to wear raincoat. Then we will put tick mark on C. Next question, that means question number 12 is we should not eat too much of blanks. Fruits, fish, chocolate, vegetables. Dear students, fruits and vegetables is too much important for our health. Then we have to eat it in a large quantity. Fish also helpful for our health, but we need to take a less amount of chocolates. That means we should not eat too much of chocolates. Then we have to put tick on C. The question number 13 is we store water at home in a blank. The options are bottle, dam, reservoir, pond. Dear students, dam, reservoir and ponds all are store the water in a large quantity, but bottle store water in a little quantity, and we use the bottle for store water at home. Then answer will be option A. So we have to put tick mark on A. Question. The 14 number sentence is we get cotton from, there is a blank. The options are grass, B is cotton plant, C is big trees, D is rose plants. Dear students, by seeing the options we can easily understand the answer will be B, cotton plants, because we get cotton from cotton plants. So we will put tick mark on B. Last sentence is blanks helps us to stay clean and tidy. Options are clothes, B is houses, C is umbrella and D is raincoat. Then houses that help us to stay safe. Then umbrella and raincoat helps us to stay dry in the time of rain, but cloth helps us stay clean and tidy. tidy. Then we will put tick mark on A. The correct answer is A. Dear students, I am repeating the sentences again. First one is weather changes every day. Next one is when it is very cold for many days, it is winter. Winter. Next one, on a rainy day we like to wear raincoat. 12th number is we should not eat too much of chocolates. 13th number, we store water at home in a bottle. And 14th number, we get cotton from cotton plants. 15th number, clothes help us to stay clean and tidy. Dear students, here I have given homework number 15 for annual term. You have to do MCQ 9 to 15. That means whatever we have discussed today, all you have to do as your homework and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the topics, do all the exercise and do the HW regularly, submit it regularly, because you will get your CT and SBA marks on the basis on your performance of your HW. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.